Hello, we come to BETT Brazil, São Paulo, South Latin America. This is educational technology exhibition. Let's visit the stand of Lanbeisite Educational Equipment Group booth. This time, we carried Lanbeisite LCD Blackboard 65 inch and mini sliding whiteboard cabinet. Four element sliding board element, two fixed, two fixed and two sliding, totally four elements. You can check the features of the sliding board cabinet. There is no rivets visible. All the four elements can be removed separately in case of OPS maintenance. The frame color and the whiteboard color, you see it perfectly match with each other. 65-inch LCD blackboard, which is designed to match 86-inch interactive flat panel. This is our posters. The specification of 65-inch LCD blackboard and 60-inch LCD blackboard. This one is the same.
Do you know curriculum Blackboard station? No, I see the
The poster of LCD blackboard. Welcome, visit our booth in São Paulo, Brazil.